Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you two easy ways to troubleshoot when one of your AirPod is not working. So let's get started. So friends, open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, click on Bluetooth. On the Bluetooth menu, make sure that your AirPod is connected to your iPhone. Here, click on eye icon next to your AirPod's name. Under the AirPods, scroll down and tap on Forget this device. After that, click on Forget device. Click Forget device to confirm. Now go back to home screen and wait for a while. After that, connect your AirPods once again. For that, close your AirPods for a while. Then open your AirPods lid. After that, press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. So friends, after reconnecting the AirPods, check that your AirPod is working or not. If not, then go back to settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Again scroll down and tap on audio visual. Here, scroll down and in the balance section, check the slider position. If it's not in the center, slide it back to restore balanced sound. So guys, third and last method is update your iPhone. For that, open the settings app. On click on general. On the general, click on software update. Here, if any update is available, then update your iPhone. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.